Now let me take 2 minutes more of your time to explain the next steps, because I'm not going to make them. Mom is going to show you these steps, because her work is a lot neater when it comes to joining and sewing the ending sides. And she is going to show them while playing some music over the video. So what we are going to do is join these two ending sides just like this, using either the single crochet stitch or the slip stitch or even needle. Mom is going to use the single crochet stitch. I placed a few stitch markers along the row to show you to mark a few spaces which are, very important while making these steps. Dear crafters, remember that very long tail I suggested that you leave at the beginning of the foundation chain? Well, this is where it comes to use. Mom is going to make 12 single crochet stitches with the help of that very long tail, up until this first stitch mark I placed right here. She is going to make these single crochet stitches between the double crochet stitches from both rows, because her eyesight is, well, pretty bad. Well, but it doesn't matter. Either make it between the stitches or on top of each stitch, as you prefer. When reaching this stitch mark, which marks the 12 double crochet stitch, she is going to make slip stitches between this stitch mark and the second stitch mark I placed right here, counting 8 stitches. So she's going to make slip stitches between the double crochet stitches from one side, because this space right here is the space designed for the thumb finger. I hope you got that, because it is very important how to design the that space gap, or how to call it, all right, for the thumb finger. When reaching this second stitch mark, she is going to rejoin the two sides of the mitten. After this step, please be careful while she is going to show you these steps. She is going to return around this circle, marking the space for the thumb finger. She's going to turn and make single crochet stitches all around this space between the double crochet stitches. I hope that is clear. And when coming back to the stitch mark, she is going to continue making 10 more single crochet stitches up until the end of these two sides of the mittens. I hope this is clear, and now let us show you how this is done in practice.